Could this potentially be the perfect cat tree for you? Hello. Today we are unboxing and putting together a cat tree. This one is from Go Pet Club model F04, and I did order this one through Amazon. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it well enough, I'd appreciate the thumbs up. And if you would like to get notification of future videos and or broadcasts, click on the notification bell. First thing I noticed in the unboxing was the directions. Very clear and simple to follow. The next thing I noticed was how well the box was packed. Everything's very contained in this one square 25-pound box. The first thing we're going to do is take everything out of the box, place it out in a very organized manner, and do a quick inventory according to the sheets. We're going to make sure that we have each part and also each screw, bolt, nut, and tool. The first step is to locate the base platform and the 3 longer scratching posts. We're then going to attach these posts using the proper screws as indicated in the directions. The next step is to attach the rolling scratching post to the base platform of the tree. You now attach the second level platform to the top of the 3 taller scratching posts. Please follow your directions carefully. You now attach the cat house on top of the second level platform. Now take the smaller scratching post and attach it to the small round bed. You then take this and attach it to the top of the small cat house. Your Go Pet Club model F04 cat tree is now assembled, and hopefully it'll get the approval that mine did. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.